Hi, ZGALA here. In the spirit of Christmas Eve, being authentically me, and living more honestly in the present, I want to share with you what I've been doing this holiday season so far. So I cleaned a tiny area of my very over-cluttered kitchen. That might look filthy to you still, and it looks relatively filthy to me still, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. And I cleaned the window and washed the plants. I didn't quite get into the shelves underneath. I won't get into any more detail than that. I moved my desk around. It's a mess. I gave myself access to this closet that needs addressing, and then I put some tissue paper over the clutter on my other desk so that I can put it out of my mind and it be a little less cluttery for the time being while I focus on other things. And then I will circle back to it. That's how I'm doing. How you doing? Care to share? Let me know. All about being authentically us, and this is me doing the best I can. Getting better every day, hopefully. Ciao for now.